Oh, hi. You caught me on deep condition day.
I don't play, I slay. I don't walk, I strut, 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 and then sashay. But I don't work for free. That's not the tea, hunty. So make it rain on me, and I might let you see. What you gonna let them see? My nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels. My nails, hair, hips, heels.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I am 𝒹𝒶𝒶𝒾𝒶, also known as Synthetic Wig Whisper. And if you are new here and you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. You guys caught me on a deep condition day, and I'm gonna just show you guys how I do it. I am gonna eventually do a silk press on my hair. I just want to wear my natural hair because y'all know that tan line wearing those wigs. Baby, it gets me every time. I'm looking at these flowers in the background, y'all. It was Valentine's. We in March. Baby, it's time for it to be thrown out. But you know what? I'm going to keep it there until spring. And that's on the 20th. Nah, I'm going to get rid of it because it looks a little tacky at this time, okay? But it's going to be in this video, okay? So, deal with it. This is my first video of me doing like a natural deep condition video. And let me tell you this, I don't do this too often. Do y'all know when the last time I washed my hair? In December. We produce natural oils in our hair, correct? I feel, in my opinion, it grows the hair. Like, even when I was getting perms, and yes, I was getting perms before I became natural. So, when I was getting perms, I didn't even wash my hair like that. I'll get that perm, and of course, you know, you have to wash it out. And then there's months later, like possibly 3 months later, I wash my hair again. I'm talking about the African women don't have to wash their hair as often. I'm talking about every week, every 2 weeks, once a month. Like, you don't have to do that. I don't want to do that, so I don't do that. So a lot of people ask me, how you get your hair to grow? How you da, 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 da. I literally don't really I take care of it. Let me rephrase that. I was about to say I don't take care of it. I do. I take care of my hair, period. I don't mess with it. My hands don't stay in my hair. When I put these wigs on, I put it in twists. Of course, I keep it moisturized while it's under this cap, the wig, all that. I take care of it, but I leave it alone. I don't touch it. That's how you pretty much can get your hair to grow. But anyway, enough of that. Let's talk about today, deep condition. I got this on because I washed my hair. I have nothing on my hair at all. It should still be a little damp, which I want it to be a little damp. And I'm going to show you everything that I'm going to be using in this video to make this successful. I'm going to be using this oil, olive and tea tree growth oil treatment. It's Olive Miracle, and I did get this at Dollar General. This smells so good. Like, it smells good. I don't know, but it's deep conditioning, and it's going to play a huge part in our deep conditioning. And I'm going to put a little of this on my scalp. I'm not going to use too much. This is a Jamaican black castor oil. Castor oil. I'm saying castor oil. Use any type of Jamaican oil, you know, to put on your scalp. This, I got this from Dollar Tree. Not Dollar Tree. I got this from Burlington. I cannot tell you what it is, but I am going to have the link in the description box. I looked this up. This is a Spanish, Mexican, hair, whatever. Y'all know what I'm talking about. This is for the Mexicans, the Latinos. These are for them. But it do so good in my hair. So I'm going to be using this Quirky Curls. This is a moisturizing condition. I'm just trying to figure out if I really want to use this or not. So, because I'm not for sure about using both of these, if that makes sense. But I might use this because, baby, I need a little coconut flavor in here somewhere. Coconut oil is shea butter, so I might just use that. And I did get this from Burlington as well. I like Burlington. Don't sleep on Burlington when it comes to hair products, because baby, you have to sit in that section in the aisle and you literally have to read what you're about to buy. Baby, I was reading. I was like, where is the English at? Ain't no English. I was like, oh, I see it's deep conditioning. I see it moisturized. That's all I need. That's all I need. And the main thing is this aluminum cap. You need to hold in that heat so it can moisturize, so your hair can absorb all this product, so your hair can be strong and healthy. Okay, let's get started because y'all, my hair is a little nappy at this time, so of course we're gonna have to detangle. And y'all, I love to detangle.
No, I don't.
Y'all, I saw this right here. Look at that. Y'all see that? Girl, what is that? I know the wig didn't do that to me. Did I do that to myself, or did the wig do it? I feel like the wig did it. She was disrespectful. Look at that, y'all. I didn't burn myself, I don't think. Y'all, I think I burnt myself. And I didn't even know it. Oh my gosh. Now I have a scar for life. I am about to take this off, and don't say anything about my hair under here. I got her. It might be nappy, but I got her. Whoa. Whoa. Oh. It smells so good, and it's so clean. Oh, baby. She cute. This is my natural curls. Like, that's my natural curl pattern. No products, no nothing. That's my natural curls. And I love it. I love it so much. Don't wear lip gloss. Alright, so I like to section my hair. And I'm about to split this. So I'm going to have like 4. Ooh, baby, she napping. I'm gonna have 4 different sections. So one right here, one in the back, and I'm gonna do it to the other side. Four sections, 1, 2, 3, and this is the 4th one, and I'm about to work with the 4th one, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put in my condition. You can use any type of you can use, my bad. You can use, girl, why you come out like that? Oh, she coming out fast. Oh, I'm done. Alright, so I'm gonna put the deep condition right here on this hair. And I like to massage it in. How I detangle my hair, I don't go from the top and go all the way down. I start from the bottom. I get all the naps at the bottom, and I work my way up slowly, because you don't want to sit up there and break your hair. So you pretty much just take it piece by piece all the way down. Don't just force it through, work it through. Ooh. That was good. You can't even lie, baby, that was good. And now I'm gonna go in with this EVO Good Hair. That's what I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna call it EVO, because it literally says EVO, so you know. Whatever. Baby, I done put a dent in that. You see that? I need more. Pretty that is. Like, girl, this is so cute. I love this. Like, girl. And now I'm gonna go in with my olive miracle oil. It's very soupy. Just like that. It smells so good. I love the smell. Now I am about to just twist my hair. Twist it, and that's all I'm gonna do. And just like that. And now I'm about to repeat that same step with these other three.
But I'll get a reaction. Take me for a ride and I'll show you.
Okay, so I am done. Now I'm going in with my black castor oil, and I am simply going to put it, not right there, right here. I am massaging that in, and then I'm going in right here as well, and I'm gonna do it to the other side as well. And I'm gonna massage that in. I am about to go in different areas, like right there. In each section, I am going to put the castor oil in there. And I'm gonna go along the edge of my hair, and I am going to put it on there. Ooh. And I am going to massage. This feels so good. Now I'm about to go in with my aluminum cap. Ooh. And the reason for the aluminum cap is to lock in the heat, the moisture, so your hair can get all of this good juicy products. Okay, and now I'm about to put the cap on.
Can I bite your tongue like my bad habit? Would you mind if I try to make a pass at it? No, you're not too good for me, my.
And that is it. That is how I do my deep condition treatment. So if you want to watch my silk press and how I do that, stay tuned. I will show you guys Thursday on how I do that. Thank you guys for tuning in. And if you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. Bye.
You always knew the way to wow me. Fuck around, get tongue tied. I turn it on, I make it rowdy. Then carry on, but I'm not hiding. You grabbing me hard, cause you know what you found is biscuits, it's gravy bag.